Hello kids, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and doing your work properly. Okay. In previous video we have started a new chapter that is more about scratch. Okay. Today we will continue that chapter and we will do two topics of that chapter. First is how a split change its position and how rotational style can be changed of the split. Okay. And I have given video of practical also, so you have to watch that video so that you can do practical at home. Okay, if you have any problem, any query, you can call me on my number. I will resolve it. Okay, now let's start the chapter. Now we start the part 2 of this chapter, more about scratch. The next topic is setting the split position. The scratch stage is 480 pixel wide and 360 pixel high. Okay, it is divided into x and y grid. The middle of the stage has x coordinate whose value is 0 and y coordinate whose value is 0. When our pointer in the middle of the stage, the xy coordinate should be 0, 0. To find out the x and y position of the split on the stage, click and drag the split. Observe the changes in coordinate display below the stage. The x value determines the horizontal location of the split and y value determines the vertical location of the splits. And in this example, next example, we will learn how we can change or we can set the split positions. Okay, by default when you open the open the scratch, the value of x and y coordinate is 0, 0. The cat is position at the 0, 0, middle of the stage. Setting the split position. This is example of setting the split position. Setting the split position में हम क्या करेंगे? We will move the cat from one location to another location. You will change the value of x and y. Okay. This is the script for the cat split. It will run when we click on the green flag. Forever is loop because cat is moving continuously. That's why we're using loop. Move 100 steps. Firstly, cat move 100 steps. After that, it will wait for 1 second. We set the value x to 100. Then again wait for the second one. Change the size by 10. It will change the size of cat split. Okay, and also change the color of that cat. Here, when we run the script, cat firstly place at like that. Look here. When cat moves, the size is also changed and color is changed. It moves 100 steps. Now we will do the practical how the split position set. Setting the split position means you will see how the xy coordinate of the stage changes. Okay. So firstly we will open the scratch. Cat, we will take this cat and the first steps take event. Then the script will run when the green flag run. After that I am taking forever loop. Forever, it's a loop, means the cat continuously doing the same instructions or action that are given in this loop. Okay. Next, motion. I am taking move minus 100 steps. Okay. After that, the cat will wait 1 second. After that, we will set the value of x to 100. Okay. After that, the cat will wait for 1 second. Change. We will change the size of script by 5. It will change the size of cat by 5 and change the color effect. It will also change the color of split.
and it will change by 20. Now we will run this program. You will see the changes. Click on view full screen. After that, click on green flag. You can see the position change, cat's position change, as well as color, because I am taking -100 in X. It moved forward after backward, and the size and color of the split changes.
We have done how the split positions can be changed. Now the next topic is setting the rotational style. We know that there are 3 rotational style in split info pan. Okay, and we will use one of them in next example. You can see here that is a split info pan. There are 3 rotational style: circular array, linear arrow, and disable rotation. We will use linear arrow in our example. Okay, in our example we are taking a split, that is Zamin walking at the place of cat. You can see here I have taken the split Zamin walking. Okay, this is Zamin walking. And script for the rotational style, you can see I have taken the script in which the script start when the green flag button click. After that, forever loop because the Zamin walking continuously. Okay, that's why. Next costume means his gesture will change, legs will move, hands will move. That's why next costume he will move 10 steps. Okay, if on edge bounce, when the edge come, it will turn. He will turn. Okay, and he will wait for 1 second. After that, he start walking again. You can see that is a script info pan. I have already shown you. That is the eye symbol. Here we will click. Setting the split position. Now we start. When the edge come, he turn. Okay, this is the program of setting the rotational style. Instructions are given. You will have to read all the instructions. Okay. Now we will do the program of setting the rotational style. In this topic, I will show how a boy in a script walk. Okay, he can walk straight, he can move, he can do circular rotation also. Okay, for this I am taking new split. Firstly, I will delete cat split, taking new split from, for example, I am taking a very walking. I placed her here. Okay. Now I will write the script for away. Firstly, I will take event when we click on the green flag. The script will run when we click on the green flag. After that, I am taking loop forever. Okay. Repeat forever. These are the loops. Loops means the instructions given in these loops will continually run. Okay. Next questions. Look. Next questions. I have already told you what is next question. The gesture will change. The hand movement, leg movement will change. Okay. Move 10 steps. Next step. From motion block, I am taking move 10 steps. After that, if on edge bounce, means when the bounce will come. Bounce means when this wall will come, she will turn. So it also in motion if on edge bounce. Okay, wait for, after that she will wait. Okay. Now I will run this program. Firstly click on, okay, first we want that array will move in linear form, so we have to select the linear array rotational style, and for this we have to click on this icon. You can see here are 3 rotational: circular, linear and disable circle. So I am taking linear. Okay, select on the linear arrow. After that I am running this whole screen. Click on the green flag button. You can see it looks like that she is walking. You can see when the edge comes, she turn, means bounce. Now she turn back. This is the example of script for walking script. Okay, I hope now you understand. I hope now you understand this program. Next costume means, you can see the next costume, the gesture will change, her legs will move and her hands move. Okay, and she moved 10 steps and she bounced. You can etch a curve. Okay, this is the example of walking linearly. If I select circular, you can see split position change, linear. Okay, try these options.